Hi my fellow WW warriors. Today I'm going to show you my version or my recipe that I WW'fied for some pulled chicken. And it's really easy. You do it in a crock pot and that's about it. So let's get started and I'll show you what's happening. I have little over 1 pound of chicken breast right here. I already have it seasoned. You can season it when it, you can season it with whatever you want. I personally just did some kosher salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. And today I used this Flavor God sweet and tangy seasoning. Fiesta sweet and tangy seasoning. I love Flavor God. If I would have had the garlic lovers from Flavor God, I would have used that too instead of the onion and garlic powder. But you can find, if you want to find Flavor God seasoning, go to flavorgod.com and order some. It's fabulously fantastic. So we're going to have this, and then we're going to have our crock pot set to high, and we're going to add to the crock pot my chicken. So let's take this lid off. And I'm going to take these and I'm just going to lay them in the bottom of my crock pot. And then after that, we are going to take 1 cup of G. Hughes barbecue sauce. I like the sweet and tangy kind, or sweet and spicy one, but you can use any of them, but you need 1 whole cup. And then we're going to add, to the 1 cup of barbecue sauce in here, we're going to add 1/4 of a cup of Kraft Zesty Italian fat-free dressing. And then after that, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. I don't have any today, so I'm going to skip that step, but don't skip it because I think it totally needs it. But it should be fine if you don't have it. And then after that, I already have measured out here 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar. I used Domino light brown sugar. And I'm just going to mix this up a little bit before I dump it over my chicken. But I will say this. I only have about a little over 1 pound of chicken in there because it's only me and my husband today for dinner. We don't have any other people in our family right now, so you do enough for me and him, but you don't need to use that few. You can totally use up to 2 and 3 pounds of chicken. This is totally enough sauce for at least 3 pounds of chicken. So don't be afraid to put more chicken in it. It'll just soak up the sauce and it'll be that much better. So I think that's just about mixed up really good. And then I'm going to dump this onto there. Hopefully you can see it. So I don't know if I can do this with one hand or not, but we're going to try and find out. Okay, let me put you down just for a second so I can dump the rest of this onto my chicken. Okay, so you can see it's all in my chicken. We're going to make sure all the chicken is covered. I kind of like to make sure there's sauce underneath the chicken too, so the chicken doesn't scorch. So we're just going to kind of move it around a little bit until we can get all of that goodness underneath there. Okay. So that looks good to me, like that. And we're gonna leave this covered on high for about 3 to 4 hours. And then once your 4 hours is up, you just take it out, shred it with 2 forks, and put it on some bread. That's about it. And right now I have mine, like I said, I have mine at little over 1 pound, and I can get about 4 servings out of that 1 pound. And I put it in my recipe builder, and it's only 4 points for a serving for my pulled chicken right now for dinner. So that's about it. That's the recipe. It's really quick and simple and easy, and I hope you guys love it because I love it too. It's so good. And don't forget to try this recipe out for dinner one day. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like my channel, subscribe to my channel, share this video, comment on this video. I love you guys. I wish you all the best on your journey, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Okay, footnote that I forgot to tell you or add to the video that I just shared was after you shred the chicken with 2 forks, you're going to dump it back into the sauce and stir it up and then put it on bread. So, sorry about that. Just escaped my brain. Thanks.